today I'll be making cakes. I'm going to be following this recipe, candy cupcakes. And first, ask your mum and dad or dad to preheat the oven to 118 Celsius. I'm going to be trying to make 12 cupcakes with these cupcake cases, and hopefully I can make 12. We'll be using today is a whisk, a bowl, cupcake cases, 3-color gel, eggs, baking paper, butter, sprinkles, baking sugar, vanilla extract, unicorn to put on it, then, milk. The next step is combine butter, extract, sugar, eggs, sift flour and milk in a small bowl. Beat with an electric mixer on loud speed until ingredients are combined. The first thing I'm going to do is do 80 grams of butter into the scales. The scale is on 80 grams, and now we're going to pour it in. Next, we're going to be doing 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I've done 1/3 of caster sugar, and now I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Now we're going to put 2 eggs into the bowl, but be careful because it's going to be tricky to put them in. I've poured it into the scale, and now I'm going to check it. Is it 1 cup? Yeah. Now I'm going to pour it in. Yay! Now it's smooth and runny. cooking for 15 minutes. And while we wait, we're going to make icing. We're going to make buttercream icing, and we're going to make 2 different colours, pink and blue. So let's get to it. Now I'm gonna colour the buttercream with pink and blue. Now I'm gonna mix the colours in. I'm not finishing that yet. Comment down below which colour do you like the best. We finished mixing and this is what they look like. And also we have edible rainbows and unicorns. And we have loads of them, and they're also, there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then we have sprinkles. What a star sprinkles. So they're like there's like stars. You can't see. And now we're gonna pipe. Last time, we're gonna pipe the icing onto the cake. I just thought of something. We can put the stars into the buttercream. I've never done this before, so let's see how this goes. Now we're just going to put the unicorn and rainbows in. rainbow. All done. Hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe and like it down. Bye.